Hey, it's Scout, Dennis Garage, how you doing? This week we're going to do a tutorial on how to install auxiliary lighting in your vehicle. We'll be using my 2017 Jeep Wrangler, an aux beam, aux panel, and Baja Design Lights. So stay tuned, let's get started. Alright, at the recent Overland Expo Mountain West we ran into Baja Designs. Matt's used them before and he's been really happy with them, so I went ahead and jumped into a set myself. So one of the things I think they can do to improve is the shipping. Now mine did come in another box. Matt's arrived just like this, without any sealing on it, no way to secure it closed, no extra padding, it was just this. Again, mine did come in a shipping box, so this was inside. Let's take a look at these here. Good heavy duty construction. Nice wire loom. An extensive wire loom. We'll have to open that up and see what we get. Your second light, I chose amber. Stickers, because we all know this adds a few horsepower. Registration card, which I'll have to make sure I fill out. Mounting brackets. Pretty straightforward. While we're in the garage, let's take a look at this wire loom. From the battery to your fuse to your relay. One strand with a disconnect goes to your on-off switch. Go to your lights. Let's take a look at the hardware. Looks like your standard stainless nuts and bolts. Instructions. Looks like extra wire connectors. And then your bracket. Let's go to the toolbox. Let's grab a T30 Torx and a ratchet. I'm going to use factory installed hard mounting spots. These are just the bolts that hold the plate on when you didn't have a winch. Now let's see if the new hardware fits in the original holes. It doesn't, but that's easy enough. Before we go on, let's add a little paint to the bare metal to prevent corrosion and then install the hardware. We're also going to see how many times I can drop this washer and screw, or washer and bolt. There's one. Alright. You will notice these are kind of cammed to the back per the directions. Good and tight. Size 14 wrench and socket. Now let's go get the lights. let's lay out these wires and see how much we need. So I'm going to go from the furthest light across the bumper up to the top and back to my aux panel. That actually leaves me quite a bit, about 8 inches to a foot left of slack. So I will probably go ahead and cut the loom right here, right before the relay. And truth be told, before the aux panel, I would have loved this wiring harness in the Jeep. This seems to be very well put together and makes a lot of sense. As you can tell, this aux beam aux panel made for quick and easy wiring and setup for the Baja Design Lights. These lights are high quality, and I look forward to adding an additional set to the Jeep in the near future. If you're looking for something to do this April of 2023, come over and check out the More Overland and Off-Road Expo, the Midwest #1 adventure travel consumer show. Again, April 21st and 22nd in Springfield, Missouri. I will be there in this storyteller section, so I look forward to seeing you. There is a link in the description. Feel free to check it out. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. We'll see you next week.